Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor, and today
we've got a ton of carnage to fix.
Well, in the last few videos, if you've been keeping track, we've been painting of bodies, getting heavy-duty bodies. We've got some carnage to report.
These are both heavy-duty bodies.
This is a Proline body. This is a Traxxas heavy-duty body. Feels great.
Super
Feels amazing.
sturdy.
But we took it out one time, right?
One time to a skate park. Really nice skate park.
It now has a hood that opens. Can you see that? It's cracked all the way down to here. And they both were taken out once.
Just once. Yeah, it's got cracks all up in there.
We're not terribly excited about what happened to these things, but
yeah.
And then we've got our favorite glue that we love to use is the Goop Max. It's outdoor, super stretchy, super strong. However, I am not able to find this stuff at my favorite store anymore. The alternative is actually what I used to use before this Goop Max came out, was Goop Marine. It stays stretchy. We have to go back to this because I can't find it anymore.
Yeah, please, if you see this on the shelves, take as much as you can.
We're going to show you the close-up of the carnage, and it's really quite brutal. There, and right there, you guys can see that.
100% cracked up here, right there.
So let's start taping first before we glue anything.
So what taping it does is basically not allow the glue to come through the cracks onto the outside of the body. Don't you guys hate when that little tiny piece of string comes off the duct tape?
Yep, I hate it.
This part is like not touching, so I'm going to cut it, a piece of tape there. Little piece. Wait. Okay. Satisfying anyway. Oh yeah. Some good glue. Packed. Boom.
Sometimes it's nice to have a popsicle stick all along that crack.
All the way along and apply it liberally. What I'm doing, I'm just, you know.
Just kind of filling that spot in nice.
Oh, how satisfying.
Some more.
Make sure
your crack is cleaner than my
Make
crack
sure you're
is.
always clean around the cracks.
I pretty much painted the whole front.
Yeah, that's a lot of glue.
I'll take this over somewhere and prop it up and just leave it sit there and dry. So while we're letting all this dry, what do you say we take some out in the little snow we got? I'm thinking about popping these sledgehammers off of here and see how they fit on the UDR and try that out.
Okay, let's try it.
I need two. What's broken? Oh. What else can you drive?
Got the UDR with sledgehammers and the Ford. Fun.
They get you stuck? That's too bad you didn't have your microphone on for any of that. I just realized, hopefully you guys can hear him.
As I was saying, the sledgehammers are like so good that they can get through snow like paddle tires never could.
We're gonna have to do some tests. Maybe I'll buy paddle tires and test both.
future video, we'll buy paddle tires for it and test it out in the snow. Then we'll put the sledgehammers on it, test it in the snow, see which one does better in a few tests. Well, guys, we had a fun and cold day today. Fixed up some bodies. We're gonna do all the other cracks later, but you get the gist of it, you know.
Yep. Once that's dry, we'll flip it to the other side, put the glue in.
These guys are wet.
Sledgehammers work pretty good on the UDR.
I would say so.
Don't you think?
I would definitely prefer these over the tires that come with it. Hopefully you liked that video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any other videos.
Ring the bell.
Oh, he done rang
Ring
that
the
bell.
bell.
Let it back down. I rung it.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we love you and we will see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
Bye for now.